You know, when you think about the world of medicine, it's often easy to picture the bustling hospital floors, the clatter of nurses moving swiftly from room to room, the surgeons in their scrubs ready to save lives in the operating theater. But there's another world, a quieter one, that plays an equally vital role in patient care, the world of radiology. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Radiology? Isn't that just sitting in a dark room looking at X-rays all day? But let me tell you, there's so much more to it than that. And if you're a medical student contemplating your future, you should really consider a career as a radiologist. First off, let's talk about the sheer impact radiologists have on patient care. Imagine being the detective in a medical mystery. You're not just diagnosing conditions, you're uncovering hidden stories within the human body using advanced imaging technologies. Every day, you're tasked with interpreting CT scans, MRIs, ultrasounds, and X-rays. Each image tells a story, and it's your job to piece together the clues to help guide treatment. You're not just looking at images, you're looking at lives, at the potential for healing and recovery. The thrill of being at the forefront of diagnosis is incredibly rewarding. You're often the first to identify critical conditions, from tumors to fractures, and that can make all the difference in a patient's journey. Now, let's talk about the variety that comes with the territory. Radiology is not just one thing, it's a whole universe of subspecialties. You can choose to focus on areas like interventional radiology, where you perform minimally invasive procedures guided by imaging, or perhaps pediatric radiology, where you get to work with children and their unique needs. There's neuroradiology, breast imaging, musculoskeletal radiology, the list goes on. This diversity means that no 2 days are ever the same. You can find your niche, your passion, and really make it your own. If you love the idea of constantly learning and evolving in your career, radiology offers that in spades. And let's not forget about work-life balance. In a profession where burnout is a real concern, radiology stands out as a specialty that often allows for a more manageable lifestyle. Many radiologists enjoy regular hours, and with advancements in technology, remote work options are increasingly becoming a part of the landscape. Imagine being able to read scans from the comfort of your home or a quiet office, giving you the flexibility to balance your professional and personal life. You can spend time with family, pursue hobbies, or even travel, all while still being a crucial part of the healthcare team. For medical students who value their personal time, this is a significant advantage that shouldn't be overlooked. Speaking of technology, let's dive into the cutting-edge innovations that are transforming the field of radiology. This is where things get really exciting. From artificial intelligence to advanced imaging techniques, the tools radiologists use are constantly evolving. AI is starting to play a huge role in image analysis, helping to identify abnormalities with incredible accuracy. This means that as a radiologist, you'll not only be interpreting images, but also collaborating with technology to enhance your diagnostic capabilities. It's a field that's at the intersection of medicine and technology, and if you're someone who loves gadgets and innovation, you'll find yourself right at home. Another fantastic aspect of radiology is the collaborative environment. You're not working in isolation, you're part of a larger healthcare team. You'll be collaborating with surgeons, oncologists, primary care physicians, and other specialists to ensure that patients receive comprehensive care. This teamwork is vital, and it fosters a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose. You're all working towards the same goal, helping patients, and that can create a fulfilling work atmosphere. Plus, it means you're always learning from others, which can only enhance your own skills and knowledge. Let's also address the financial aspect. While money shouldn't be the sole motivation for choosing a career, it's certainly a factor to consider. Radiologists are among the higher-paid specialists in medicine. The investment in your education pays off, and the financial stability that comes with a career in radiology can provide peace of mind. You can focus on your patients and your practice without the constant stress of financial insecurity. It's a career that offers both intellectual and financial rewards. Now, I know some of you might be concerned about the potential for monotony in radiology. It's a common misconception that radiologists spend all their time alone in dark rooms. While it's true that there's a fair amount of independent work, the reality is that radiologists are often engaged in discussions about cases, attending multidisciplinary meetings, and teaching medical students and residents. The social aspect of the job is often underestimated. You're part of a community, and you have the opportunity to mentor the next generation of doctors. Sharing your knowledge and passion can be incredibly fulfilling. And let's not forget the satisfaction that comes from making a difference in people's lives. Every day, you have the opportunity to help someone navigate their health challenges. Whether it's identifying a life-threatening condition early or guiding a treatment plan, the work you do as a radiologist has a direct impact on patient outcomes. There's a profound sense of purpose that comes from knowing that your expertise is contributing to the well-being of others. It's not just about images, it's about people, their stories, and their journeys. Now let's touch on the educational path. Yes, becoming a radiologist requires dedication and hard work. You'll need to complete medical school, followed by a residency in radiology, and possibly a fellowship if you choose to specialize further. But think of it this way. The journey is part of the adventure. You'll gain a wealth of knowledge and skills that will serve you throughout your career. Radiology is a field that values continuous learning, so you'll never stop growing and evolving as a professional. As you progress through your training, you'll have the chance to explore different subspecialties, participate in research, and engage in clinical rotations that expose you to the full spectrum of what radiology has to offer. This is your opportunity to find what truly excites you and aligns with your interests. Whether it's the thrill of interventional procedures or the intricacies of neuroimaging, you'll have the chance to carve out your own path. And let's not overlook the importance of mentorship. The radiology community is often incredibly supportive. Many seasoned radiologists are eager to share their experiences and insights with newcomers. Whether it's through formal mentorship programs or informal connections, you'll find a wealth of guidance and encouragement as you navigate your career. This sense of belonging can be invaluable, especially during the challenging times of medical training. Now, if you're someone who thrives on problem solving, radiology is the perfect fit. Every case presents a unique challenge, and you'll need to think critically and creatively to arrive at the right diagnosis. It's like being a medical detective, piecing together clues from various imaging modalities and patient histories. This intellectual challenge keeps the work engaging and ensures that you're always on your toes. If you love puzzles and enjoy the thrill of uncovering the truth, radiology will provide you with endless opportunities to flex those problem-solving muscles. And let's not forget the global perspective. Radiology is a specialty that transcends borders. The skills you acquire are applicable in various healthcare settings, whether you're working in a bustling urban hospital or a remote clinic in a developing country. The ability to provide critical diagnostic information can be a game changer in resource-limited environments. If you have a passion for global health and making a difference on a larger scale, radiology can open doors to opportunities that allow you to contribute to healthcare in diverse communities around the world. Finally, let's talk about the future. As technology continues to advance, the field of radiology is poised for exciting developments. From teleradiology to personalized medicine, the landscape is evolving rapidly. By choosing a career in radiology, you'll be at the forefront of these changes, shaping the future of healthcare. You'll have the chance to be part of groundbreaking research, contribute to innovative solutions, and help redefine what's possible in patient care. So, to all the medical students out there contemplating your future specialties, I urge you to consider radiology. It's a field that offers a unique blend of intellectual challenge, impactful work, and a supportive community. Whether you're drawn to the cutting-edge technology, the collaborative environment, or the opportunity to make a difference in patients' lives, radiology has something for everyone. It's a career that not only fulfills your professional aspirations, but also enriches your personal life. Imagine waking up every day knowing that you're part of a vital team, using your skills to uncover hidden truths and guide patients on their journey to health. Picture yourself thriving in a dynamic field that values innovation and collaboration. Radiology is more than just a specialty. It's a calling. So, as you navigate your medical journey, keep an open mind and consider the incredible opportunities that await you in the world of radiology. Your future self might just thank you for it.